Picture with taste. Here I am, not done yet. I decided to embark on a flavorful adventure. Transforming the spice rack to a paint palette, and declare, Horst the chef, is painting pictures now with taste. The old baking tray becomes my unconventional canvas. And the brush, dipped in wine, swirled through a palette of mixed herbs and spices, creates unique images. Aromatics brushed on the canvas, creating a feast for the eyes, arranged with artistic design. The kitchen transformed into a gallery of savory masterpieces. So my culinary spiced up creations take on a life of their own. The aromas dancing in tune with the wine, merging heaven and earth in one frame. Mostly in harmony, yet sometimes wild. The metaphor, sharp picture, gained new meanings. These paintings you won't forget. Even if you wish, you can't eat them, they're not for consumption, except for your eyes. My pictures with flavor designed, just for fun, and yet with style and heart, they become a work of culinary art. And you are invited to take those pictures, in the gallery of your happy memories.